Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kukai Japan. Today, I'll introduce Gem, a tool designed to boost productivity by simplifying routine work tasks. Gem is a customized AI. Today, I'll show you how we actually use it in my company. Let's dive in. The first example is how we use it to review resumes. During the hiring process, first, you set the evaluation criteria in Gem, and then it automatically scores the resumes for you. The second example is meeting minutes. Google Meet can automatically generate meeting minutes for us. But the raw text is often not usable as it is. So we input the transcribed content into Gem, and it helps us turn it into a clean summary with all the necessary elements for the company. The third example, we also can use it to check for typos and spelling mistakes. We use it when writing client emails or company blog posts. It checks for typos and ensures that everything follows company guidelines. For example, if it finds Kukai, it automatically corrects it to Kukai with a small c. This keeps our document quality consistent. Now, let's learn how to create it. Step 1. Click Gemini from the app launcher at the top right. Step 2. Then open the left panel and click Gem Manager at the bottom left. Step 3. Click Press New Gem to create a new one. For name, enter something like Resume Review. Step 4. Now you enter a simple instruction in Instructions. For example, when a resume is uploaded, score it from 1 to 5 based on company rules. Step 5. Click the pencil icon below to let Gemini improve your prompt. It's very handy. Step 6. This next step is new and very important function. Click the plus button next to Knowledge. Here, add your company's evaluation criteria. Let's use our hiring criteria this time. That's it. Just press save and you are ready to use it. Let's do a final check. Let's pretend we got a resume from an applicant. Click the gem you just created from the gems list. Use the plus button to upload the resume and ask for evaluation. Then, it gives you a score like this. If your company has many branches or stores, it's difficult for managers to attend every interview. Applying company guidelines to initial interviews helps maintain a consistent and high interview quality. How was that? Today we look at Gemini's Gem. It's great for tasks you repeat often. That's where Gem is really useful. Please try it out from tomorrow. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.